this is Zad, and today I'm going to show you how to add beep sound in any Python program. To import WinSound, which is an inbuilt library of Python, but if you don't have it, don't worry. You can install it by pip command. You have to go to cmd and type pip install WinSound. You need two parameters. First one is frequency. I'm taking a frequency of about 1000, and duration is the second one. You need to take it in millisecond. It need to be in millisecond. So I'm taking it 200 millisecond. That means 2 second. Now you have to just type winsound.beep and pass these two parameters, frequency comma duration, and run. The frequency of about 1000 Hz and the duration was 2 seconds. You can change the duration and frequency. So I'm going to change the duration to 5 seconds. So the duration was 5 seconds. Now let's change frequency 2000. Okay, let's change it again to 2500. But you have to keep in mind that interpreter will stop at winsound.beep. Just let me show you the example. Let's print hello world and run it again. And so what will it do? As you can see, the hello world printed after 5 seconds. The interpreter was stopped right at winsound.beep and then printed hello world. The interpreter will stop and then execute the other commands. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.